Hello guys, hello. How is everybody? It's your Miss T again, Teresa. Miss T for short. Today we are actually making a salmon cakes. So we do have a salmon here, one fillet, big fillet. So you have to either boil your salmon, roast it, or fry it, and remove the skin. We have to shred this later, okay? And for our ingredients, guys, it's only a few items that we're gonna put our salmon cakes, which is we have red, orange, and yellow bell pepper, half of a medium onions, a green onions, here we probably chop this up about 4 tablespoons. I have 3 small eggs over here. If you have a large egg, just make it 2. For seasoning, we need a garlic granulated or powder. I have an Old Bay over here, a black pepper, and we need a breadcrumbs. Alright guys, you following so far? So I'm gonna do it the lazy way, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put everything in either food processor. I have a small grinder over here. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna start putting our salmon. I'm not gonna make a lot because it's just me, and my husband probably gonna taste it. It's not really fun of a salmon cakes. So what I'm gonna do instead of shredding it by hand or shred it by a fork, I'm just gonna lightly shred it over here. All right, just lightly. We don't want to like a paste like salmon. We still want the chunk in there. Okay. Uh-oh, it's unplugged. All right, so bear with me, guys. Just lightly. Okay. See it like this. See? Instead of using the fork or you know, or chop it up small, put it in a chopping board, just put it in the grinder, guys. Okay, so let me do the rest of the salmon. Okay guys, since we did our salmon in our grinder, we're gonna put all of it, all the ingredients in the grinder, guys. Put the onion first. This is gonna be easy salmon cakes, guys. You don't want it too fine. You still want to see the onion in there. Alright guys, and I will do the bell pepper, and I'll chop up. I'll do the bell pepper here in our food grinder, but I'm gonna chop the green onion, guys. Okay guys, we chop our green onions. Now our red, yellow, and orange bell pepper. Smells good. Okay. And right now, before we put the eggs, let's put some seasoning. Let's put some seasoning. So what we're gonna do, since the salmon is already fried and I seasoned it already before I fried it. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put half a teaspoon of Old Bay. Sometimes Old Bay gets so strong. If you put too much of it, you just want a light seasoning. We don't want to overpower the flavor of the salmon. Half a teaspoon of garlic. Maybe we're gonna make it 1 teaspoon instead of half a teaspoon. Alright guys, following so far, this is gonna be an easy dinner. And black pepper, just maybe also half a teaspoon, because Old Bay already got the black pepper anyway. Half a teaspoon. Alright, so mix it well before we put the eggs. Hope you guys gonna like this recipe. If you are new to my channel, and if you're not subscribed yet, well, if you're new, welcome. And also if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. I do appreciate if you guys do subscribe. And also if you leave a comment, I do like a comment, guys. Hey, I want to know, did I did wrong? Did I do this wrong, or what? What's the better way? But this is my my take on this recipe. But if you have idea to make it better, hey, I'm welcome the idea. So we're gonna put our eggs right now. Okay. Let's mix it right now. See? Yeah, see? You need 3 small eggs because I do have a small eggs only in my fridge. Because like I said, if you have a large egg, just put 2. Already. And we're gonna put a little bit of a breadcrumbs as a binder, because we don't want it to fall apart when we fry it. Okay. Here's my breadcrumbs. Backwards. Alright. I got where the hold on. Where I have to seal. 2 tablespoons right now. We don't want it overloaded with breadcrumbs, guys. We still want to see the salmon. Okay, still wet. So additional 2 tablespoons. Because we don't want our salmon cakes to fall apart while we're frying. I think this is good enough. Yeah. Alright, I think this is good enough. Good texture. See, it's already binding, guys. So I know for sure it's not gonna fall apart when you fry it. Okay, let me prep my frying, my wok. Heat up oil and we're gonna start frying, guys. Okay guys, we start forming our salmon cakes. I'm gonna do 2 ways over here. One with the breadcrumbs. You have to roll it in the breadcrumbs, and one without. Okay. You can use any breadcrumbs you like. What I have here is a seasoned one, or you can just use the panko. Okay. I just already washed my hand. So just I don't know how big you want it. Let's see. Let's use this ice cream scooper so we have a uniform cakes. Alright. Just form it. And we'll put it in our breadcrumbs. Roll it. Roll it over the breadcrumbs. Alright. It's a little bit wet. You might need more panko. Uh-oh, it's falling apart. You gotta lower, it's in very high right now. I don't want it to burn right away. Okay, this is the one with the breadcrumbs. Ouch. Be careful, guys. Actually, I touched the oil a little bit. And this is the one without breadcrumbs. Alright. So we're gonna do 2 without and 2 with breadcrumbs. Coated with breadcrumbs. Just shape it. Voila. Alright, just wash my hands right now. Alright, looking good so far, guys. I don't have my small spatula. But yeah, I don't think it's gonna make any difference with or without breadcrumbs coating. Where is it? Where are you? I'm not finding it. But let's turn it over. Check it out. Oh, see? A little bit burnt. Actually, that's the one without the breadcrumbs. Actually, I cannot tell which one got one or not. I guess it don't really matter. Okay. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna fry all of these. Maybe I'm gonna have about 4 more of that, and we'll be right back for the finished product. Okay, guys, we're doing our last salmon cakes, and the last 4 is actually I use a plain panko. Actually, this one scoop of ice cream scooper, actually they're pretty big. You can go smaller than that if you like it. Yeah, you can go a little bit smaller if you want. Okie dokie. See the other one, the first one I put in. Perfect. See how it looks like? I think I like the panko better. I know we put the panko inside, I mean mixed with our salmon cakes, but I like it to coat it with the panko. Okay, so I'm just gonna give this a couple of minutes, guys, until they get a little golden brown, because salmon is already cooked vegetable. You don't have to really cook vegetable, and we actually put it in a food processor or grinder, so they're already fine cut. So yeah, let me finish frying this one. I will show you the finished product. Here you go, guys, our finished product. This is the darker one over here. It's actually a breadcrumbs, seasoned breadcrumbs. This is the plain one, and this is the with the panko in it. Actually, there's no difference about this, except one is crunchier than the other. But if you like crunchy salmon cakes, use the panko. So, and I have a ketchup and a achara pickled papaya on the side dish. So hope you guys like the recipe. Leave me a comment, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and I see you on my next vlog. Bye.